National symbols of India. Let's get to know about the national symbols. National flower, Lotus. It is a sacred flower.